Now look at this. Okay, this is our question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that OB equal to OC. AO bisect angle A. Okay, now look at this. This is the figure which is to be made. ABC, this is your isosceles triangle. As this is isosceles triangle, it means AB is equal to AC, and this angle, this entire angle ABC is equal to ACB. Okay, these two things are given as these two are the properties of isosceles triangle. And the second thing is given in the question that the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect at O. Bisector means this is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. Again, these two things are given in the question. Take, it means this angle, I am talking about this one, angle ABO, this is equal to angle OBC. And look at this part, angle BCO is equal to the angle OCA. Okay, these two things are also given in the question. What you have to prove? You have to prove that OB, this one, is equal to OC. Okay, and one more thing, that this AO line bisect angle A, means angle BAO is equal to the angle CAO. These two are equal to each other. मतलब आपको ये दोनों प्रूव करने, ये दोनों एक दूसरे की इक्वल है. इट मीन्स ये ना कि what the question says that AO bisect angle A. It means you have to prove this. Now look at here, we have to take these two triangle ABO and ACO. We have to take these two. Why we have to take these two? Because हमें इसमें OB and OC लेना है. ठीक. So AB is equal to AC. This is an isosceles triangle. So these two are equal. It is already given. ठीक है. दूसरी बात, this angle ABO, this one, okay, this one is equal to this one. Angle ACO, again this is given as this entire angle is equal to this angle, and this is the angle bisector, means this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one and this entire is equal to this one. It means all these four are equal to each other. That's why angle ABO is equal to ACO. This is already given in the question. And this AO, this line AO is common, hence this triangle, this one ABO is congruent to ACO, this one. According to the CPCT, this OB is equal to OC. It is proved now. As we have already proved this, that the triangle ABO is congruent to ACO. It means this is equal to this one, means angle ABAO is equal to angle CAO according to the CPCT. If these two are equal to each other, means these two are equal to each other, hence this line OA, this line OA or AO, you can say that AO because AO is written in the book. So this line AO bisect the angle A. Okay, it is proved.